We're at the beach.
The beach.
We're at Hollywood Beach.
We're gonna go eat
Breakfast.
and then the beach. It's very pretty.
It's our first time here. It's like my 100th. This is my favorite beach, and I really hope Jess has a great summer.
I will have a great time.
Yay! See you at breakfast.
Oh my gosh.
Jess is literally getting our stuff. You can't even see her. Oh, I don't know how this works. But Jess went to go get our stuff. She's coming back. There she is. We're eating Korean barbecue. This is so weird. My mom's trying to figure out what to eat.